When do I cock this after?
Right now.
You can go ahead and cock it right now. When you're ready, he's going to hit the buzzer.
I like look in the back like this.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Coming to you. Hit.
Oh, sweet. Huh?
Keep going. Coming to you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're giving you a bonus 5 seconds. You could get 20 seconds. You run it clean and fast. 20 off. Wow. You can do it. If there's anybody out here that can do it, listen, Joe said you can do it.
Joe said that, huh? Coming to you. He's human, he missed one.
Hit him on the ground. That's the way I always hit him.
You mean they can fly?
I was 18 before I learned.
We ain't hunt real quail. I know how you hunt real. You ground the whole cover. Huh?
Coming to you.
I'll take something home.
All right, now hit the buffalo with your pistol.
Oh.
I mean, with the bullet, with the bullet. We throwing it at him.
Shooting over him. You got a fire. There, you got him.
Why was I shooting over him? Was he ducking?
Yep. Yeah. 8:51 minus 10.
You see that last shot on that bird?
Very good,
Joe.
Joe. Very good.
Yeah, that